Hi, so I just wanted to share my experience with Dr. Monisha Kapoor and my surgery. So I remember when I came to the clinic and I was very nervous because I was never happy with my nose. I was extremely insecure, even though not many people told me that something was really wrong with my nose. I was extremely insecure for years and I was very unhappy, very I was not very confident about myself when I had to like go take pictures and everything. And I came here for consultation. She was very friendly, very genuine. I would say she was not trying to sell herself. She was, she told me what is right and what is wrong for me, and she was very clear from the get go what could happen if I go for this surgery. And she was extremely like very she was very supportive of what I wanted, and she understood my problems. She also told me that it's just not my appearance, there's actually something wrong inside my nose as well, and I knew it. I had a deviated septum, and I had severe breathing issues, allergies, and everything possible with my nose. And post surgery, I feel I'm very confident already. I feel so happy and extremely satisfied with whatever she's done with my nose. On the inside as well, I can breathe properly. I never knew that I could breathe so well. It's like I'm breathing right through my brain. It's that clear. The passage is so clear. I can actually take in some air. I never felt that before. And I'm very happy with how my nose looks right now. And Dr. Monisha Kapoor she's a pro at it. Trust me, she's done a very good job. She's just changed my life, I would say, and she's a sweetheart. She is like a friend to you. She won't give you like unexpected, unrealistic, what do you say, dreams. She will be very clear about what is going to happen and what you will be given and what will suit your face. And not just Dr. Monisha Kapoor, I think the entire staff here, they're very professional, very sweet, very down to earth, very caring. They know what they are doing. And I am so happy that I came to Dr. Monisha Kapoor for this surgery. I don't think there's anybody in this country who would do such a good job with rhinoplasty or septoplasty. And I would recommend Dr. Monisha Kapoor to anybody who's trying to, gain their confidence back, or if they want to do something about their appearance. I think she's the person that you should go to. I would never, I don't think I want to know any other doctor now, because I really like her, I love her, and even in future, I think I would visit her if I have any issues again. Thank you, Dr. Monisha. I am really happy with the results. Thank you.
अगर आप देखें इस पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट में जिनका एलर बेस बहुत वाइड था, मैंने एलर बेस को नैरो किया है, इनकी टिप को ज़्यादा शार्प किया है। ये जो पर्टिकुलर पेशेंट है, ये अपने नोज से बिल्कुल खुश नहीं थी। इनको साइड व्यू तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था अपने नोज का, बट शी वॉज वेरी अनकम्फर्टेबल इन गेटिंग हर सेल्फ क्लिक्ड इन द फ्रंटल व्यू. Because of this problem, it was a hamper in her career, and she was not as confident with her frontal view as she was with the profile. So I decided to give her a nice dorsal aesthetic line and a sharp tip so that her confidence level is boosted, and she is able to pose in front of the camera with the same confidence as she has with the profile view. तो अगर आप देखें आफ्टर सर्जरी में मैंने इनका जो एलआर बेस है वो रिड्यूस किया है, टिप को थोड़ी शार्पनेस दी है, डॉर्सल एस्थेटिक लाइंस को मैंने शार्प किया है ताकि फ्रंटल व्यू में वो ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट दिखे और इनके फेस की जो लुक है और ब्यूटी है वो एनहांस हो. For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.